Let's prepare chayote gratin. Peel, wash and cut the chayote into big chunks. Add them in a pressure cooker. Cover with water and add to TSP salt. Cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. Remove and mash the chayote. Add oil in a pan and add minced beef. Add garlic ginger paste, salt to taste, and black pepper. Let cook for 5 minutes on high heat. Add 1 cup of water and let cook for 15 minutes on medium-low heat, or until fully cooked. In another recipient, add butter, grated garlic, and thym. Cook for 1 minute and add flour. Next, add liquid milk little by little, and keep stirring until the sauce thickens. Add the mashed chayote, and mix well. Next, add black pepper, salt to taste, grated carrot and the cooked meat. Mix and add grated cheese. Lastly, add chopped parsley and turn off the heat. Grease a baking dish with butter and pour the mixture. Add grated cheese and breadcrumbs on top. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. Hope you enjoy this recipe.